Here is a York 2-ton from 1970, and there's the Bryant that I filmed a couple of days ago. I wanted to get a video of this York because this is a very interesting unit. This unit has not worked in almost 3 years, and both these units are matched up to the original 1970 York furnace. This York is original to the house, it's from 1970. That Bryant is from 1989. What I think there used to be, what I want to imagine is that there used to be 2 Yorks here, then the one for the first floor died, and so the Bryant was put in. I'm trying to remember. That's a 2-ton from 1970. This does the second floor, and what they do for in the summer when it's really hot out, instead of running the air, they just run the fan in the furnace, and then of course they use the first floor for the air. However, the furnace works was planned for this unit, and I think the problem is that when you go to turn it on, the unit does not even kick on. This does nothing. So the unit itself is dead. But yeah, thank you for watching. Out.